This is a Best lock. It's very own. I haven't had a key for it. I don't think it's been open for 50 years. So I had to put some graphite on it because it just wouldn't open. I was using on a large tension wrench, long one there, and that didn't work. So as soon as I changed over to the smaller tension wrench, it worked. My worm rake wouldn't work. This is a tension wrench that made the difference. So I'll use this W wrench or pick. So that's pretty good for a lock that hadn't been open in 50 years. Took me a while to fix it because I found out the right combination of picks and tension wrenches. Peace. Don't break the lock.